Hi everybody, welcome back to another review video. Today's video is going to be me reviewing some items from Madam Glam, so stay tuned. Alrighty, so we have got my box open here from Madam Glam. And today they sent me some gel polishes. I picked these colors myself and I just chose a bunch of random colors. I wasn't really thinking, but they sent me 4 colors of my choice plus a base and a top coat, which I was not expecting. I didn't know they were going to send that as well. So very, very happy. Thank you so much. Let's take these out and then I'll show you what else comes in the box. Yeah, so the only other thing that comes in the box is this nice little message from Madam Glam, so that's very nice. Whenever you order your packages from them, you'll get this little card, and it's nice, a nice touch. All right, so for the demonstration, I'm just showing, doing 1 coat of polish on each swatch stick, and yeah, as you can see, 1 coat goes a long way. I've used these colors already for some of my clients, and I've just used 1 coat, which I really love that about Madam Glam's polishes. They're nice and thick and creamy. Typically 1 coat will do, but you can do 2 as well, of course. And I think these types of polishes that Madam Glam offers is really great for nail art as well, which I'm going to demonstrate later in the video. But yes, 1 coat and you are all good, and I love that. I love that for me. So the first design I'm gonna do is cherries. Believe it or not, I've never done this design before. This is my first time doing it, and yeah, I'm proud of myself. I always say I'm not good at nail art, but I guess I should stop saying that because I kind of am, but I don't know. So yeah, I'm doing my cherry design here, and I didn't cure in between each little step. All this is I'm doing all this uncured, and I did that because I wanted to see if the gel polish would stay in place as I'm doing the design and doing different parts of the design, and it does stay in place. So that's a really good sign. That shows you that the polish is high quality, nice and thick and creamy, and when you're doing nail art, you don't have to rush. You can take your time even if you didn't cure it yet, and the gel polish will stay in place. So I really, really like that. My next design is flowers, using the dotting tool, just doing a couple dots, and then I'll connect them. And again, same thing here with this design. I didn't cure in between each flower or anything like that. I painted each one, left it on the nail, uncured, and moved on to the next one. And again, it stays in place, doesn't move. You have a lot of time to work with the product, and then when you're ready, you can go ahead and cure. So that's pretty cool. So last but not least, I'm doing just a basic simple French, and this is how I know if I like a gel polish or not, is that if I can do a French nail by just using one coat of polish. I really hate when I'm doing a French, like I'm using a gel polish and I'm doing a French nail design and I have to use 2 coats for the French nail design to show up properly and to look right. I really don't like that because I think it makes the nails look bulky and weird. So the fact that I can do a French nail with this polish just by using 1 coat makes me so happy. I love it so much and definitely recommend. I'm gonna leave some information in the description box so you can, if you're interested, I'll leave the link to Madam Glam's website. I'll leave a link to my discount code so you can get some money off of your order. Because yeah, I really recommend these products. Sorry, I like Madam Glam a lot. I use them all the time, even if they don't send me stuff. So yeah, I'll leave those in the description box. So take a look over there. And here is the final product, some cute little designs that I did using the Madam Glam polishes that they sent me. Let me know what you think. I tried really hard to make them look good using the colors that they gave me. But anyway, thanks for watching and I'll see you later. Bye!